Hey, what's up, Polygon Matic holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another latest update of Polygon Matic holders. This video is very special, and I hope you feel very happy after watching this video. So never miss this video and keep watching this video till the end, because in this video we discuss the good changes over in a Polygon Matic. I know, my friends, at this time the Polygon price is fast down, but don't worry, I have a good news for all of you. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button now and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now, my friends, if you look the latest price update of the Polygon Matic on the screen, so you can easily see here that if we talk about the USD dollar price of the Polygon in the market, so you can see here 1.4 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Polygon. And if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Polygon, so 0.00043006 USD dollar. That is the BTC Bitcoin. That is the Bitcoin price of the Polygon Matic. You can exchange Polygon Matic in a Bitcoin to this, my friends. Same like that, if you want to more updates about Polygon Matic, so 24 hours trading volume, market cap of the Polygon, available supply, total supply, everything you can see now on the screen. As I told you, my friends, that now at this time the price is occurring in the Polygon Matic is going down. So this means that at this time the price of Polygon Matic is fast down, and the last 1 hour pricing is still negative. As I told you in the start of the negative 2.03% the price is fast down, and negative 15.65% the price is fast down in the previous last 24 hours. So my friends, don't worry about this. Now this time the no data chart not available, but my friends, you have to wait, my friends. I know, my friends, Polygon Matic will going to the moon. Remember, in this month, that I'm sure, my friends, in this month Polygon Matic will take a huge pump and they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. I'm sure, and I also believe that they will give you good amount of profit. You have to only hold. Remember me, if you hold you will get profit, and if you don't hold, so I can't think anything about that. But if you hold, so absolutely I'm sure, that is my personal prediction, that is my on the basis of personal research and the basis of technical analysis, I told you that please hold. The huge pump of the Polygon Matic are coming soon. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.